Hey there, welcome back. I want you to take a second and be honest with yourself. How often do you really feel like your body can keep up with everything life throws at you? I'm talking about walking up a flight of stairs without huffing and puffing, bending down to tie your shoes without wincing, or even just getting up from a chair and feeling strong and stable. If you're over 60 and you're nodding along, you're not alone. Because the truth is, after 60, our bodies start to change in ways that walking alone just can't keep up with. And I know what you're thinking, walking is healthy, right? It's low impact, it gets the blood moving, but here's the reality. Walking is not enough to keep your muscles, joints, and balance in top shape as you age. In fact, relying on walking alone could leave you weaker, less stable, and more prone to injuries over time. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying walking is bad. It's great for your heart, for your mood, and yes, for burning some calories. But if your goal is to stay strong, avoid falls, and keep your independence for years to come, walking just doesn't hit the key areas your body needs after 60. Your muscles start to shrink, your bones lose density, your balance starts to falter, and your joints get stiffer. And the scary part? These changes sneak up on you gradually. One day you notice that getting up from a chair feels a little harder. A month later, climbing stairs leaves you winded. And before you know it, small tasks you used to do without thinking become challenging. That's why today I want to show you something different, something science-backed, that can help rebuild real strength, improve balance, and protect your joints, all without spending hours in the gym or doing complicated exercises. I'm going to walk you through 3 simple exercises that are actually better than walking for your body after 60. These moves don't just burn calories. They strengthen your muscles, activate your joints, and make you feel more capable in your everyday life. And the best part? You can do them at home, in just a few minutes a day. Before we dive into the exercises, let's talk about why they work. Our bodies are designed to move, yes, but movement has to challenge your muscles and joints in the right way to keep them strong. Walking mostly works your legs in a repetitive, low-intensity way. It doesn't challenge your muscles enough to maintain bone density or improve balance. And after 60, that's exactly what you need: muscle strength, joint mobility, and stability. Science shows that even short, targeted movements that activate multiple muscles at once can reverse age-related decline. These aren't fancy moves. They're practical, functional, and incredibly effective. So, the first exercise I want you to try is what I like to call the sit-to-stand. You might be thinking, wait, isn't that just standing up from a chair? And yes, but here's the difference. You do it slowly, with control, and you really feel every muscle working. Sit down on a chair, feet shoulder-width apart, back straight. Now, push through your heels and stand up slowly, pause at the top, and then lower yourself back down gently. Don't just plop down. Focus on your glutes, your quads, and your core. This one move strengthens the legs, glutes, and core all at once, and it translates directly to real-life movements, getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, even getting up from the floor safely. Try to do 10 to 15 reps, and you'll start noticing a difference in your leg strength in just a few weeks. The second exercise is a little different. It's called the wall push-up. Now, I know push-ups can sound intimidating, especially if your wrists or shoulders aren't what they used to be, but the wall push-up is gentle on the joints and still hits your upper body hard. Stand a couple of feet away from a wall, place your hands at chest height, and slowly lower your chest toward the wall, then push back. Keep your core engaged and don't let your hips sag. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but more importantly, it improves stability and posture. Strong upper body muscles help you get up from chairs, carry groceries, and even protect you if you ever trip or stumble. And the third exercise is my personal favorite, heel raises with balance. This one is fantastic for ankle strength, balance, and even bone health. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, slowly rise up onto your toes, pause for a second, then lower yourself down. For an added challenge, try closing your eyes or lifting one foot slightly off the ground. This forces your muscles to stabilize your body, which is critical for preventing falls. Do 10 to 20 reps, twice a day if you can, and your balance and calf strength will improve dramatically over time. Now, you might be wondering, do I need equipment? Do I need to join a gym? The answer is no. These exercises use your body weight and a simple chair or wall, nothing else. And because they mimic real-life movements, they make daily life easier, safer, and more comfortable. Unlike walking, which mostly works your legs in isolation, these exercises activate multiple muscle groups, improve coordination, and strengthen your core, which is the foundation of stability for the entire body. I know that starting a new routine can feel overwhelming, especially if you haven't exercised consistently in a while. But here's the thing. These exercises are simple, quick, and incredibly effective. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day, focus on form over speed, and gradually increase repetitions as you get stronger. Your body will respond faster than you expect, and the confidence you'll gain from feeling stronger in everyday movements is priceless. Another reason these moves are so powerful is that they improve mobility. Walking doesn't stretch or challenge your muscles and joints in the full range of motion, but these exercises do. You'll notice that your hips, knees, and ankles start to feel more flexible, and that makes all movement, walking, climbing stairs, bending, lifting, easier and less painful. And let's be honest, nobody wants to lose independence in their later years. Strength and balance are your secret weapons for living life fully and avoiding falls or injuries that can change everything. I want to be clear, you don't need to spend hours exercising every day. You don't need fancy equipment. All you need is consistency and the willingness to give your body the movements it needs. And remember, these exercises are science-backed. Studies consistently show that resistance-based movements, even with just your body weight, are more effective than steady-state cardio like walking for maintaining strength, balance, and bone health in adults over 60. So here's how I want you to approach this. Start with the sit to stand, move on to wall push UPS, and finish with heel raises with balance. Do them slowly with focus, 2 to 3 times a day if possible. Even just 10 minutes a day of these targeted movements can give you far more benefit than an hour-long walk. You'll feel stronger, more stable, and more confident in your body. And the best part is, these exercises can be done anywhere. Your living room, kitchen, even in a hotel room if you're traveling. No excuses. Let me leave you with a little motivation. Think of these exercises as an investment in yourself. Walking is good, but these 3 simple exercises, sit to stand, wall push UPS, and heel raises with balance, are better than walking after 60. They are your secret weapons for strength, balance, and independence. And the beauty is, they're simple, quick, and safe. In just a few weeks, you'll notice more strength in your legs, more control in your movements, and more confidence in your day-to-day life. So if you're ready to take control of your strength and stability, stop relying on walking alone. Give these 3 moves a try, stick with them consistently, and watch your body transform. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength, improve balance, and protect your independence. And the best part? You don't need a gym, you don't need heavy equipment, and you don't need to spend hours a day. Just 3 simple, science-backed exercises, done with focus and consistency, can make a bigger difference than you ever imagined. So get up, grab a chair, find a wall, and start building real strength today. Your future self will thank you.